Ka patu anō te huarahi e tētahi o ngā tino rōpū whakatangi puoro o Aotearoa e 660. Whai muri i te whakarewatanga o tā rātou kohina Waiata tuawha ko Castle Street. E ai ki te kai Waiata matua ki a Matiu Walters i nā te pānga nui o te Ao Māori ki tā rātou kohinga hui nei, no tā rātou āta ruku i te Ao Māori ki te kaupapa Waiata Anthems anō hoki. Wai anō, ki hea ke tau atu wai he toa taumatarau, i ki atu mamau harawira he hoki nā tēnei ki te kaina.
Ahakoa haere kihea i te ao, ka ore he wāhi e rite ana ki te ukai pō.
It's almost like a back to basics thing for us, like how that album was made was just the five of us together in a room, very similar to how it was for the first gold album back in 660 Castle Street.
I encourage a lot of people to hear it from the top to bottom because you'll hear the journey of making the album, you know, through the album. It's almost, we made the intro first and did all the songs and like in the sequence.
Run before you walk.
Ko Castle Street a rātou kōpai puoro tuatahi no te taunga mai o Kowheori te kaumaiwa. A he hua nā te urutā. I whai wā te rōpū ki te ata noho ki te ata wānanga. I te āhua o ngā oro i hia tiai mo ngā waiata.
I think we've really nailed the balance between this kind of lo-fi and hi-fi, or like this ruggedness and something that's really polished, and that's something we've always been striving for, is finding that balance. And the music, we're so proud of it, man. It has those juxtapositions that we've always desired.
It was just one of those situations last time where we could only, send a couple of guys to America to record, but this time was one of those situations where we all found ourselves there, and it was really fun to be able to put your own kind of flavour into the music.
Ko tā rātou waiata whakahirahira tērā ko whakamaurihia, arā kia mau ki tōu kaipo, ki te kōpai puoro Waiata Anthems. He ara tēnei e tāi ai e rātou te ataruku i te hōhonutanga o tērā kōrero.
I have to give a lot of credit to Hinewihi Mohi and to Te Moti Karatu for, in a way, like giving us the permission to express that part of us. We are, three of us are Māori. We didn't grow up with the language.
When you get older, initially with the band, you get a bit of whakamā about not really reconnecting in a te reo Māori sense, and then when you grow up, you realise, it's always been there, and it's just realising and just like channeling it.
Ka puta te kōpai puoro hou na 660 ko Castle Street ki te ao whānui, hei te paraire, he tū mai nei. Tū mo mao harawira, te Ao Mārama.